God, thank you for this morning light. You woke me from the silent night. You gave me breath, you gave me life. I place this day into your hands. Lord, thank you. Be with me today. Shine your grace upon my path. Lead me in your peace. God, guide every step I take. Give me strength when I am weak. In the small things